To fix a Frigidaire freezer not freezing, start by checking the power supply and ensuring the freezer is properly plugged in. Verify that the circuit breaker or fuse has not tripped or blown. If the issue persists, check the temperature setting to ensure it is set correctly. The ideal temperature for a freezer is between 0 and 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, inspect the door seals for any signs of damage or wear. If the seals are damaged, warm air may be entering the freezer, causing the temperature to rise. Replace the seals if necessary. Also, check the door alignment to ensure it is properly closed and latched. A misaligned door can prevent the freezer from sealing properly, leading to temperature fluctuations. Check the freezer's air vents for blockages, such as ice buildup or food packaging. Blocked air vents can restrict airflow and prevent the freezer from functioning properly. Clean out any blockages and ensure the air vents are clear. If the freezer has an ice maker or water dispenser, check the water supply lines for kinks or blockages. If the issue is still not resolved, check the condenser coils for dust or dirt buildup. Dirty condenser coils can prevent the freezer from cooling properly. Unplug the freezer and gently clean the coils with a vacuum cleaner or soft brush. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to check the freezer's compressor or thermostat, which may require professional assistance. By following these simple steps, you can identify and potentially fix the issue with your Frigidaire freezer not freezing. Remember to always unplug the freezer before performing any maintenance or repairs. And consult the user manual or contact a professional if you are unsure about any aspect of the process. Regular maintenance and upkeep can help prevent issues with your freezer and ensure it continues to function properly.